brags about me to everyone. He reposts my videos. He's front row at my shows. This is making me literally emotional. Hello, my sexy little baddie ass icons. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to use your fucking phone and ChatGPT to help you get into robotic affirming, to help you shift your mindset, to help you come up with a new story and a new identity, okay? You all have a phone, you're all addicted to it, so you might as well just let it help you manifest the most iconic, orgasmic dream life ever. And let's get into it. But if you're new to me, hi, my name is John. I love to teach the weirdos like you, the misfits of creations, the outcasts, the sluts, the queer icons. This is a place for you to come to remember that your weirdness and your extraness is your actual superpower. So if that is your vibe, hit the subscribe button. And if you want more of me all up in your phone every single day, do not forget to check out all my other platforms on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my TikTok. Another ASMR style video. I'm filming at 2:40 a.m. in the morning because I'm psycho, but I'm gonna start a new tab just for the sake of this video. And I love to use that little microphone down there. I love to use the text to speech because I'm lazy. I just like it. It's easier for me. Okay, you guys know that I'm iconic, yes, but I also like things easy and quick. I don't know. I like phone calls. I like sending voice memos. I hate texting. I've always been like that. So I use the little microphone down here, and I'm just gonna come up with something here. We're gonna come up with some examples for this video. So I know everybody wants love, right? So I'm gonna literally click the little microphone right here, and I'm gonna speak. Hey, bestie. Can you please help me come up with some affirmation rampages to help me manifest the love of my motherfucking life? All right, and then you just do that, and then boom, it comes up with affirmations for you. Now, I've been using ChatGPT for quite a while, and I think it does a pretty accurate job with coming up with affirmations that are like my tone, my vernacular, because I would always say, hey, ChatGPT, do this, but make it sassy, make it feral, make it iconic. So it by me using it a lot more, it picked up on how I speak and and my tone and my humor. So it does a really good job at, matching my tone and my energy and my main character energy. You might have to play around with it for a little bit. So if you don't like it, you can say, make it more funnier, make it more CUNTY, make it more serious, make it more blah, 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 blah. Okay. But let's just read some of what it has given me, because it's quite a bit. So, affirmation rampage, love of my motherfucking life edition. Is that what that means? I'm literally the whole package. I am magnetic. I'm irresistible. My soulmate is obsessed with me. They're probably stalking my Instagram right now. See, that sentence is literally so me coded. They're stalking my Instagram right now. The love of my life is on their way, and they can't believe how lucky they are to have me. I am done entertaining the bare minimum, and I deserve butterflies, obsession, loyalty, and that's exactly what's happening for me, period. The love of my life is literally matching my energy right now, blah, 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 blah. This number 3 sounds a lot like me. Every day I get hotter, smarter, more confident, and every day my soulmates gets closer. The universe is obsessed with me, with us getting together. I'm not chasing, I'm attracting. I'm not settling, I'm ascending. The love of my life sees me, values me, chooses me, and shows up. Blah, 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 blah. There is so much here. And then I also recommend getting specific. So for example, that was really good, bestie, but can you come up with affirmation rampage that's going to help me manifest my hunky gym rat husband that loves to work out with me and that supports me and my music career and my content creation career? Because that is literally what I want. So boom. And this is what it came up with. Hunky gym rat dream supportive BF affirmation. What? I'm sorry. I took too many hits of my pen and I'm like I'm not coherent, okay? But it says, hunky gym rat, dream supportive BF, affirmation rampage. The love of my life is literally a gym rat, but like the good kind, the sexy kind, the obsessed with me kind. He's lifting weights and lifting me up. He spotted me at the gym, hyping me up in the mirror, flexing with me for our cute couple gym pics, and fully obsessed with my career. He loves that I'm a content creator. He brags about me to everyone. He reposts my videos. He's front row at my shows. This is making me literally emotional because this is literally what I want. He's my #1 fan, my biggest supporter, my hottest hype man. Oh my god, ChatGPT knows me so well. Like, literally, like, ChatGPT be flirting with me and shit. And he's literally so fine. It's public service. I don't really know what that means, but I'm here for it. We work out together, we glow out together, we manifest together. He loves how ambitious I am. He loves my energy. He loves my body at every stage. Ugh. That also makes me emotional because you guys know I still struggle with disordered eating and I needed that. And he worships the ground that I walk on. He's supportive, successful, sexy, stable, and addicted to loving me. I don't chase, I attract. My gym rat soulmate is already on his way. We're building a power couple empire. He thinks I'm the hottest thing walking and he supports my music, my content, my dreams, my delusions, all of it. We're hot, happy, healthy, and rich together, period. That is so amazing. And we're actually going to use this prompt because I'm actually going to save this. And that was really good. That was really good. And we're actually going to use this prompt to actually go into step 2, which is all about creating your identity. So I'm going to use this and say this. So let's say you come up with, you like an affirmation rampage. And oh my god, I know I'm so annoying because I talk like literally I don't make sense when I talk because I talk in circles. But real quick, pause. You can do this with everything. So I have other affirmation rampage folders in my ChatGPT that I'm not really going to share because they are really important to me and I'll share them when they manifest. I just don't want any kind of weird energy out there when it comes towards my dreams. So I have affirmation rampages for like everything that I'm manifesting in my ChatGPT. So you can also do that. Like you don't have to do it like one thing. Like you can make separate folders for your career rampage, for your ideal body, for your ideal face, for your ideal wardrobe, for your ideal man or girl, whatever. Okay, but anyway, now back to the identity. So I'm gonna hit the little microphone down here again and I'm gonna say, awesome bestie, I love it. Now can you help me come up with an identity shift script that is gonna help me step into this identity? And then can you walk me through an ideal dream in my life so I can visualize this every morning to also help me manifest this? Perfect, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so let's read a little bit of the identity shift that it gave me. I'm officially stepping into my new identity. I'm the version of me who is magnetic, powerful, successful, adored, supported, and dripping in confidence. I'm the version of me who wakes up knowing that my life is working for me. My music career is thriving. My content is viral. My soulmate, my hunky gym rat dream boyfriend is already obsessed with me. I'm no longer playing small, doubting myself, or waiting for permission. I'm the highest, most successful, most loved version of me. I walk into every room like I own it. I hit the gym with my man by my side, both of us looking so fine. People stare. He supports me, hypes me up, loves watching me win. He loves that I'm ambitious, creative, and unapologetically myself. Everything is aligning for me. My DMs are full of opportunities. My phone is blowing up with people who love my content, my music, my energy. I am confident, grounded, unstoppable. This is my new identity, and it's only up from here. So that is really cool. That would be something that I would read over every single day, morning, night, and maybe in the afternoon whenever I need to feel re-inspired. And then it also gave me a visualization that I could probably sit there and do in the morning. Okay, so you put some meditation music on and read through this and then just get lost in the visualization, right? So I'm not going to really read that just because it's like unnecessary, but yeah, this is a really good visualization. So for example, you wake up in your dream apartment. I'd visualize that it smells like expensive candles and success, the sunlight hitting your face, blah blah blah. He kisses you on the forehead, blah 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 blah, right? So allow this to help you step into the new identity. And then you can take this further and say something like, awesome bestie, do you have any tips that are going to help me? Well, I'm literally tweaking. Okay, so something like, awesome bestie, that is so amazing. Do you have any daily tips and advice or anything that I can do daily that is going to help me solidify this identity so I can manifest it faster by embodiment, right? Let's say you don't really know how this version of you would be acting. Okay, morning identity lock-in, 2 to 5 minutes daily before you touch your phone. Sit up, close your eyes, and literally pretend you're already living the life. Say to yourself, I wake up as the successful, sexy, confident version of me. I got my dream body, my dream partner, my music is taking off, my content's viral, I'm in my glow era. And then feel it in your body. Let your brain marinate in the reality. Exactly. You guys know that I love feeling. I love feeling excited. I love feeling happy. I love like visualizing when I'm dancing. I love feeling. I do. And then step 2, mini visualization. Randomly throughout the day, brushing your teeth, walking, making coffee. Visualize your man hyping you up. Visualize gym dates, viral notifications, performing on stage, posting your best content. You don't need 20 minutes. Tiny 30-second daydreams build belief faster. I don't really know if that's necessarily true. The whole like 30-second daydreams build belief faster. I don't know, but how many times have I told you guys that I literally live in my imagination throughout the day? I'm always visualizing if I'm not doing anything like that takes concentration, like driving or operating machinery at work. That's a lie. I visualize while I use the floor scrubber, but you know what I mean. Okay, so it's literally helping you come up with a routine. Number 3, move like you're famous. Again, this is going to be tailored to whatever you desire. Okay. At the gym, walk like you're already viral. Filming content, show up like your soulmate's already obsessed. Grocery store, act like TMZ might pop out. This isn't fake it till you make it. This is embodiment till you become it, period. Dress the role. Even on your days off, put effort into looking like a hotter, more confident, more I have my gym rat boyfriend and viral career energy. Wear the outfit, spray the cologne, it locks in the vibe. And you guys know that too. Like, I'm in the process of rebuilding my wardrobe. I just need the money to abundantly come into my life so I can buy the clothes. Say no to old identity moments. Every time your brain tries to spiral into I'm not there yet, or what if it never happens, you literally say, that's not my reality anymore. I don't align with that version of me. Redirect to everything's unfolding for me. It's already mine. Daily mirror, hype up ritual. You guys know I love mirror work. Look at yourself in the mirror. And in parentheses, it even says gym mirror counts, and say, I'm so proud of you. You're so hot, successful, supported, and your dream life is literally inevitable. Do this with your chest, no playing small. So every single time you see yourself in a mirror, hype yourself up. Quantum gratitude trick. End your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, but say them as if your dream life's already here. I'm so grateful for my content is viral. I'm so grateful my boyfriend's obsessed with me. I'm so grateful my music career is blowing up. Okay, so it just gave you like a little bit of a routine, and then if you wanted more, you can say, awesome bestie, can you add some more things maybe? I'm so excited. Like, I know I literally sound crazy because I'm talking to ChatGPT like it's literally my best friend, and I probably should be in a mental hospital, but and going back to the original point, I would say these like you can, so let's say you're like, I don't know how to come up with affirmations, I don't know the new story, blah blah blah, like whatever your excuse is. Basically, that's what I'm saying. There literally is no excuse, because now you just you have a place where you can go, where you can have your affirmation rampage, and then you can just read it over whenever you want throughout the day, multiple times a day, and then when you remember it, it'll be locked into your brain, and you wouldn't really need to read off of this. So you'll just get into the habit of repeating it over and over and over again, and that's the point. Repetition, repeating your thoughts. The power of repetition is how thoughts turn habitual. Okay, the certain thoughts you think over and over again, they turn into the thoughts you think on autopilot, which in my belief are the thoughts that turn into belief systems. So pull out your phone whenever you are uncomfortable and you want to scroll Instagram. Just like whenever, when you're uncomfortable and you walk into a room, instead of, first of all, don't do that. But if you ever need, like, how, like, you know what I mean? Like, instead of just mindlessly scrolling on Instagram because you're waiting for your nail salon or an appointment, or you're in your car waiting for your bestie, like, just open up your ChatGPT and scroll and read your new identity, or read your new story, affirmation rampage. It's like, it's right here for you. There's no excuse. And I get that if you're new to a law of assumption or manifestation, reprogramming your mind can seem scary. Like, how often should I do it? Do I have to say it with emotion? And I would say, if you're new, start with this. Like, just read it over all throughout the day, and then eventually you won't need it and you'll just repeat it on loop over and over and over again. And this is going to help you shift your mindset. Like, I'm making this video basically to tell you now, with your phone and ChatGPT, there literally is no excuse. Oh, I don't know how to come up with a new story. I don't know how to come up with an affirmation. I don't know how to come up with an affirmation rampage. What is identity? I don't know how to do that. It's all right here for you. So lock the fuck in, because this is about to change your life. And thank me when you're giving your award-winning speeches. But like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass with these guns.